guys. Today we're in Fort Mill, South Carolina, not North Carolina like we usually are. And we're at a cool little car meet and car show here, Halloween. And I'm here with Justin. He's going to tell you a little bit about what's going on.
How you doing? I'm Justin. I'm with Conviction Bourbon. I'm out of North Carolina Distillery. We make bourbon whiskey. We're here at Sauce Monkey Spirits today in Fort Mill to do a little car show and Halloween trunk or treat. We have about 85, 90 cars as of right now. The show's only been going on about an hour. And it looks like it's going to be a good turnout. It's an awesome day for it.
Yeah, man. Well, thanks, Justin, having this car show. And
showing up.
Guys, check out the cars. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Thanks, man.
Thank y'all very much.
Fuck up.